Hey guys, how you doing today? So my son took his truck through the car wash and it snapped his antenna off. And I've tried to reach in here with a pick. I mean, you can kind of see it's a little bit loose down in there. And I've tried to reach in here and I've tried to spin this out of here so that I can put another mast on it. But I can't get it to turn at all. So what I'm going to do is extract this threaded portion of this antenna that's stuck down in here. We're going to center punch this, and I'm going to use a left-handed drill bit to drill this out, and hopefully that will spin it out of here. If it doesn't, then I'll use a easy out to finish extracting it. But a lot of times, the reason I use a left-handed drill bit is a lot of times before you even get the hole completely drilled, it'll start spinning up out of there. So let me get the drill bit set up and the drill, and we're going to get started on that. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to center punch the center of that the best I can. That way, hopefully, I'll be able to stay in the middle. The best I can. I'm going to start off with a rather small bit, and then we'll step it up if we need to. In fact, I think I just saw it turn right there. Now, the one thing you've got to keep in mind is this is a left-handed drill bit, so you got to spin your drill in reverse. I'm going to have to move the camera out of the way just a little bit. It's actually already coming. And there we go. Left-handed drill bit. I don't know how many times I've extracted a screw using my left-handed drill bits. Very, very handy. Now, if this wouldn't have came and I would have finished drilling a hole down in it, then I would have just went ahead and finished it off with a screw extractor. But now all I've got to do is buy a mast, screw it in here, and be done with it. This is the drill bit kit. All left-handed drill bits from 1/16 to 1/4 inch. If you don't have a good set of left-handed drill bits, I'll put a link in the description because this is a nice little kit to have. The only thing I use it for is screw extractions. And about 80% of the time, I'll be able to drill them out and they unscrew while I'm drilling them. No easy out required. Anyway, you guys take care. We'll see you.